Hi, I'm Dirk Frese with ULabo USA. Today I'm talking about the MAGIO product line, and they're specifically about the plethora of interfaces that we have here. We just turned this one around so that you can see the back of the head, and you see a lot of connectors here. So very interesting. We have an Ethernet connector here. For example, you can download our EasyTemp software, which is for free by the way, and can connect to this head and really direct what it has to do. Next thing to the right, we have what you know from a lot of places, from home and car, a Type A USB connector. To this you can connect a flash drive to either upload data for programming the head or to download data, the so-called black box data, to really analyze after the fact what the circulator head did. The next is a USB Type B connector, another way of really controlling this head. Then the next one is a connector for an external PT100. That's an external temperature probe, which you might acquire as an accessory to really direct the regulation of this circulator head with external data, let's say from temperature control from your reactor, which is connected to this PT100. The next to the right is an interesting one. That's a serial port here that looks like on many computers. That's an RS-232 connector. But you can switch this around to be an RS-485. That's very interesting in the case that you want to daisy chain various MAGIOs one after the other. And that's new for us, and that's a very interesting kind of connector. Another connector you can see here, that's the CANBus connecting cable, goes down to the chiller in this case. So that connects both of them, the two of them. And you can also connect other kind of accessories to this CANBus, other devices on the market. This one here is also an interesting one. That's a powered connector. That's a so-called Stuck-eye connector. This is a proprietary term from the manufacturer. What it really does is you can connect to this, let's say, solenoid valves, which should be directed to open or close, or you can also connect our HST booster heater to that. So that's a very important and interesting connector to have, which not a lot of products do have. And that's it for the interfaces of the MAGIO product line.